Hello. I'm going to take a moment to show you how to add an electronic signature and date option to a PDF. So I'm going to share my screen and I'm going to first of all show you the Word document that I am going to use. So this Word document has three paragraphs. It has a signature line. It has a date line. I'm going to save that as a PDF document. And I'm going to put it in a specific folder where I know where it's going to be. I'm going to call this one version 2. I'm also going to make sure that the title of this is listed here. This is for the purpose of ADA compliance. So screen readers can read what this is. So I'm going to now save this as a Word document, ensure that I have it. Then I'm going to go back and save the same thing as a PDF. Save as a PDF. It still has the title. I'm going to click Save. And that now is saved. So I'm going to now go ahead and open, that's the wrong version. I'm going to go ahead and open this document in the what's called Adobe Acrobat Reader. So you do not need the full Acrobat suite in order to do this. So I am going to, let's just go back here. I'm going to open. I know that this is in my in a specific location. And I'm going to open, there's the version 2. So here's the document. All right. Over on the right-hand side of this, you will find a list of tools, convert PDF, etc. One of the tools is called Fill and Sign. I'm going to click on Fill and Sign, and then it asks me what I want to do. I want to get someone else to sign this, so I'm going to request signatures. When I do that, it will say, who is it that I want to get this to sign? So I'm going to put in my email address. And the subject line, please sign and date this document. Specify where to sign. So I'm not going to just add files because it's already added. I'm going to say, where do I want them to sign? Can't send a document to myself, so I'm going to send it to this other person that I know. Will receive this. Specify where to sign. So now it's loading the document, and it will take just a moment. It will come back, and you'll notice that now my cursor has changed. It says click wherever you want the recipient need to fill in and sign the document. Scrolling down, I'm going to click here. This is where the signature is needed, and click here for where the date is needed. All right. Now I'm going to close this document. I'm going to send this document. And it has been successfully sent. It gives you a time. It says it will allow you to change the alerts. So I'm going to look at this. It says, please alert me if it has not been reviewed in 8 hours or acted upon in a day or viewed but not acted on in 8 hours. So update the alerts. That's what I want. And I'm going to close this particular piece. So now what I've done is I've asked for someone to sign and date this document. I'm going to stop sharing, and we will take a look at what it looks like from the other side of the situation from the receiver of this at another time.